Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Hey, listen, here's a little update on the the Suzuki or the Arctic Cat carburetor that I was working on. It cleaned up really well. However, I am having a little bit of trouble with getting the idle jet out of this thing, and I want to show you what's going on. Somebody has been into this carburetor before I've ever gotten to it, and it's always inevitable that you're going to get some screwed up jets. And I tell you what happens is the screwdriver slots on these jets are super small, and what usually happens is an inexperienced technician will use the wrong size screwdriver down in here and just strip out where the screw is supposed to go. But I'm going to show you how to fix this and hopefully save a carb body. This is a specialty screw extractor. I got this off the Snap-on truck. It's going to be very hard to find a conical fluted screw extractor at a hardware store or Home Depot, places like this. Pay the $7 and get a good hardened screw extractor like this. This is a number 1. And let's see if I can get you a part number. And hey, you know what? This procedure will work on just about any carburetor that has replaceable jets. I've used this on Briggs, Kawasaki, Kohler, and in this case, Arctic Cat. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do, the screw size hole is 1/8 of an inch. So we're going to drill a hole about maybe 1/4 of an inch down into the jet. Be extremely cautious that you don't go through the jet into the carb body where it seats. If you do that, you've ruined the carburetor. But just take your 1/8 inch drill bit, and we're going to drill right down in the center of that and make sure it's as close to level as you can. You don't want to get into the carb body. Slow and easy. Once you feel that it's good and deep enough, we'll take our screw extractor. We'll put it right down on there, and we're going to give it just a couple taps right here to drive that screw extractor down into the damaged jet. Go ahead and just ever so slightly. You don't have to kill it. 1/4 inch wrench. And I believe it's free. Give it just another little tap so it'll have something to grab onto as you try to pull it on out. And there we go. That's exactly what I was needing right there. The new carb kit will come with a new jet, so that's one good thing about these carburetor kits that you order from Amazon or even like Bike Bandit. Well, a bike this old, you can't even get a factory carburetor kit. Even when the bike was new, you always had to buy each individual piece. This carburetor kit from, I believe it was called Balls Deep. And yeah. No, excuse me. All Balls Racing. I messed that up, didn't I? But anyway, here's our new jet. I'm going to show you the proper way to install it, and you need to get the correct screwdriver. Now, a pocket screwdriver is more than adequate for installing these jets. However, you just want the screwdriver to be able to go all the way down in the groove without any or much wiggle back and forth, and you want the screwdriver to go all the way across and fit good. This one's got just a little bit of play back and forth, but I think it'll be okay. Your jet down in. And get her tightened down. You don't have to kill it. Just tight. Alrighty guys, we saved the day on the old Hardy Cat 300 carburetor. And hey, if this helped you out, and I sure think it will, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Hey, and while you're there, go ahead and click that bell so you'll know you get all my new repair videos. Y'all have a good rest of your week. More Medic One. Have a good day.